So I just left Walmart. It's Easter candy season. They have cartons of a dozen chocolate-covered marshmallow eggs. I've seen them in my local Walmart too. Except in this Walmart, they're in the refrigerated case with the regular eggs. Someone's gonna have a surprise, nasty surprise when they go to make an omelet some morning. Clean off your car, you shit. Yep, there we go, an exit dive. Dump guy. Get off my ass, thank you. Oh, ran the red. Thank you! Thank you, thank you, thank you. You get this from the red. Staying lane, stupid. What are you doing? That's not a legal U-turn, is it? I don't think it is. You're an asshole, Volks maggot. Hi, someone's coming. So your turn. Yellow. Red. We're in the red. It's red. It's red. Jesus Christ, wake the fuck up. And right through the intersection, you shithead. Masshole. Stop. Stop. Hello? Someone there? Hello? Yep, that's a cutoff, stupid. Are you exiting, or are you just a douche? You're exiting. So that saved you a whole lot of time, okay? Rest area dive. We're in the red, we're in the red, we're in the red. Trifecta. What the fuck is wrong with you? Hi, how you doing? Nice to see you. What the fuck you doing, lady? What was that for? Asshole. Hello, officer. Pull her over, will you? Thank you. Okay. Hold on to the camera, right? And I'm an asshole. Ha! Oops. Got him. tailgating, everybody. Yellow. Red. You just ran the red. Go, dummy. Go, 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 go. Toyota. It's no U-turn, you dumb Toyota. Left turn dive. Right turn dive. A turn dive. Whatever. Not really an exit dive, though. Yeah. Staying south of the road. You're a moron. No, I'm not letting you over. Go to hell. What? Well, we're going now. Dickhead. Don't fucking hit me! Jesus Christ. No left or U-turn there. Thank you. I'm not fucking here. Exit regret? Yes. Yeah. Let's say that was an exit dive. That was an exit dive. Mr. Tough Guy. Jesus Christ. I'm calling that exit dive too. Accelerate, 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 accelerate. Could you let me in, please? Are you gonna let me in? Thanks, asshole. Thanks. This change is too quick, so someone's gonna run the red, right? BMW is running the red. See? There we go. And you ran the red on red. Yep. Bastard. Ran the right. The red. Ran the red light. Ran the red on red.